Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. It's Happy Mail time. What? Who did this? Huh? Who was so kind? Cosetta. Cosetta was so kind. Love you. She has been watching from the beginning. She's been very, very sweet. So it's time to open it. I'm so excited. And thank you so much, Cosetta. You are the sweetest thing. I don't want to rip anything, but I also don't want to use scissors. Looking around for scissors now. Okay, got a corner. So excited. Okay, now for trivia's sake, it came a couple days ago, but I wanted to open it with you guys. And she mailed it on May 1st, and it is the 23rd. I think it arrived home. My husband brought it home from work because my mailbox goes to the company post office because they have somebody to check the mail every day. So that's good. Oh, there, I got it. Oh, ooh, oh. Can you see in there? It's pretty. There's a sweet letter. Oh, oh, you're so sweet. You're gonna make me cry. You are joking. I love you too much. Oh, Cosetta, you're gonna make me cry. Okay, I don't cry. I'm mean-spirited and cold-hearted, and I don't cry. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sparkles. Sparkles. How do I do it? Oh, it's even Velcro on the back. That's classy. That's classy right there. Oh, can you see in there now? Ooh. Oh. Oh. Get out. Oh my goodness, look. There's stitch markers with the hook sizes on them. Oh, they're beautiful. 5, 5.5, 6, 6, and 6.5. I'm so using those with sparkles on the end. Oh, the ends all have different colored sparkles. Oh, I love it. Look at that, and those are the sizes I use all the time. I'm a little turtle. Oh, thank you so much. Those are adorable. Just what I've been meaning to do and haven't gotten off my butt to do. Right? Thank you so much. Oh, that's sweet. I'm gonna use those right away. Thank you so much, Cosetta. You better be checking your mailbox soon, girly. I'm going to the post office tomorrow. I'm taking you guys there with me too. Oh, that's a separate video. But I'm doing a podcast. I'm not doing a podcast. I'm doing a happy meal. So thank you, Cosetta. You are awesome. And I love them. Thank you.